So as you can see, all the questions and their frequencies with company tags have been opened with this new extension of Leetcode. Let's see again. This is actually, and I have verified. There's no BS. I have verified with the actual Leetcode Premium too. Let's see what it says. So firstly, you have to just go and write Leetcode Premium bypass and download this. Simply get this source code and download this as a zip file. Just extract that zip file and go to extensions and load your unpacked. Like from this, load the unpacked extension, and the entire video you can see from here itself. Like this also has the entire video to how to actually download it. Now when this entire thing is done, you will see Leetcode Premium bypass here itself, and you can also pin this up. Like it will actually come at this location. Now when you will open your actual Leetcode, so you can see everything is green on the right side. The frequency is also right here, although you cannot sort the frequencies. Like you cannot. So if I just do like this, and as you can see, like it is sorting the difficulty, not the frequency. So basically frequency sorting is like not supported, but that's not your use case, because the main thing is you can see the frequencies. You can not only this, you can also see the actual the premium questions. Let's say if I write 163, which is a premium question right here. So 163, I'll write that, and we can see that this is the premium question. I'll click on this. All right, now it is showing that it is unavailable, all that stuff. No worries, go back. Now you will see that premium stuff should actually be opened. See here, it has turned green. So now you can read the premium question, and you can see exactly. I have Leetcode Premium. As you can see, it's a premium question, and you can see it's the exact same question with the test cases as well. It's just that you can't see the solution and stuff, but you can see that on YouTube on my channel. And apart from this, coming on back, if we have complete questions, let's say we go on Google, so we can see all Google questions. And if we go and see actually Leetcode Premium, again here also I have 6 months, last 6 months sorted by frequency. Same goes for this, and we can see meeting room 3, then height of binary tree after subtree removal, height of binary tree after subtree. So basically, like not exactly cut to cut match, but yeah, it is more or less 99% same. If I go back for the third question, logger rate limiter, you can see logger rate limiter. So just up bottom like kind of a difference, but it is exactly matching. And that's how so interesting is this new extension, obviously saying the plugin Leetcode Premium bypass. I hope they got it. Bye bye.